How to change linked bank account on PayPal. If you want to change your bank account that is linked to your PayPal, then follow these instructions. First, make sure you have downloaded PayPal on your phone. If you are iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open PayPal. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you can see this wallet option on the bottom right corner. Click on it. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this bank account and card option. Click on add new. If you have not linked your PayPal account to any bank account, then first you have to link your bank account. Simply click on this bank account option. Now choose the bank name of your account. After that, click on agree and continue. Now you need to open your bank app and log in through it, and after you have logged into your bank account, you will see this change option just beside your bank account. Simply click on it and again choose on the name of the bank of your account. So this is how you can change linked bank account on PayPal. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.